How's it going, guys, and welcome back to Dad Makes Dough. Now in today's video I'm going to show you how you can make money dropshipping with this absolutely insane method and how you can actually start making bank. This is going to be the step-by-step guide for complete beginners, how you can start dropshipping on eBay, how you can do it safely and efficiently and make money. This isn't one of them old school videos that you used to say like 2 or 3 years ago where you go out and search for products that take forever to find and people are never going to click on them, you're never going to make any money because no one's actually looking for this product and there's too much competition, so your listings are just super low in the search. And this is a proven and tested method. Here's some screenshots from a Discord that I'm in of people actually making crazy profits every day. I'll bash these up on screen now. Now, when it comes to eBay dropshipping, I did this years ago and I used to go and find products from everywhere like Amazon and stuff like that, see how much they were selling for on Amazon compared to how much they were selling for on eBay, and then I'd keep the profit in between. So what dropshipping is, in a nutshell, I've already got a video about this, I'll link that here. But the basic concept of dropshipping or eBay dropshipping is finding a product, preferably on Amazon. Say you've got certain products that sells for £10 on Amazon, but that on eBay it sells for £20. What you want to do is you want to list that product on eBay for £20 with zero stock, zero inventory, without you putting any money up front. Then what will happen is the customer will go on eBay, see your product, purchase it for £20, and then you'll go over to Amazon, fulfill that order, put in the customer's details who's purchased it on eBay, you'll send it straight to them from Amazon, and then after the fees and everything, you'll probably end up with a little bit of profit, whether that be £3, £6, £8. And that is how simple the business model is, and it does work because I've used it personally. Right, so first things first, if you don't have an eBay account, you're going to want to go over to eBay and click register and sign up. What I would recommend though with using this and the dropshipping method is eBay don't really like it if you're a new eBay seller and then you just go on and start adding loads and loads of product. It will probably flag your account. I would recommend, if you've got an aged eBay account that you've got feedback on, that you've used before. If not, you want to create a new eBay, simply go over to eBay, click register, create an account. Make sure you do put your correct information in, because what's going to happen is eBay are going to validate this, and if you've been putting in dud information or wrong information and you get banned off eBay, it is very hard once you are banned from eBay to create an eBay account. So make sure you put all the right and relevant information in there, and I'd recommend getting some feedback first before you start, just so eBay don't flag your account. So next, you're gonna want products. So I'm not gonna tell you to go out and search Amazon and copy and paste a product for Amazon into eBay and see how much. No, none of that. Because me personally as an entrepreneur, and I imagine most people who are working like a full-time job and are wanting to start a side hustle, they won't have time to spend 8 hours for one product that they find that sells twice a month. So that's for £16. It's not worth your time. So with this method, I've got a super cool tool that I use, and I've been using it for a bit now, and it's called Delato. So if you go over to Delato is an API software that helps you with eBay dropshipping. So it's super cheap to use, and not only that, it's super helpful as well. It's got loads of information in there, loads of ways to pretty much almost automate your eBay dropshipping. If you click the link in my description and click on Delato and sign up, if you use code DMD50, you'll get 50% off your first month subscription. So if you choose the lowest subscription, which is $19.99 a month, you're gonna get that for a tenner a month for your first month by using code DMD50. And it's super worth it. For that price of like £10, £11 for your first month, the profit you're gonna be making on this eBay dropshipping, you've covered that by selling 2 products. Simple as that. So simply go over to Delato, click register, and then you want to fill in all your information. So go over, click register, input your name, email address, password, how did you hear about us, all that, agree, not a robot, and then you're going to want to sign up. Once you've signed up, you will choose how many listings you want. So I think the basic one is like 250 listings. That's what I'm on at the moment, and that's like $19.99 a month. So that's 50% off with code DMD50. With these 250 listings, these are already listings that have profit in, that are from Amazon, that you can sell on your eBay account, and you can import them in bulk rather than you going and adding each listing and each photo like the old school way. Simply go on, get your products, link your eBay account, important. Simple as that. So if you start off with a basic amount of listings, and then once you start making money and making profit off this, you can bump it up and start going up to like 500 listings and so on and so forth. So once you're actually on the ladder, right, so this is a fresh account with 250 listings for the purpose of this video, to be able to show you what you can and do. So you can get these things, and they're called gold ASINs. So if you go on Product Hunter, you can get gold ASINs, and gold ASINs are added manually by the Delato team of profitable, performing well products for dropshipping on eBay from Amazon that are already doing well, and they're like five pence per product or something like that. So you can purchase, I don't know, say you want to purchase 10. So I've got 250 of those. You'll get your products and they'll get sent from Amazon to your eBay store using this tool. If you click your inventory, go up to inventory, and you can see I've got updated today as well, so it's consistently updated as well. It's not going to be old random products, it's updated consistently with new products and new performing products and so on. So this is my 250 products. So you can see here, we've got stuff like Karcher Primo Flex Hose, and that is £16 to buy on Amazon and 21 on eBay. So it's only a small amount of profit there, but then you've got a video doorbell, $59.49 on Amazon, and it's selling for $75.99 on eBay. It's as simple as that, and these are all found for you. So if you're making 3, 4, 5, so on, 3, 4, 5, £6 profit per item. It's all about volume when it comes to dropshipping. It's all about having multiple products and loads of products that have a small profit margin, but because there's so many products and you're getting seen. So it's like, if you look at it in a sense of, right, so there's only £3 profit per item, but if that's at 250 products that you've got imported, and that's each one of those sells once, that's £750 in profit. Complete profit after your fees, after everything. It's a no-brainer, and it's almost done for you in a sense. A lot of this method is automated through the Delato system. So you're going to want to go over and you're going to want to set your profit margin. So in Delato, what you can do is, after you've got your products, if you go over to your name, your store settings, and you've got a profit markup, so you can have any percentage of profit markup that you want here. So I'm going to go with, I want 20%. So every product that's in there, I'm going to bump that up to 20%, and that's a 20% profit margin. You can have it higher, you can have it lower, it's whatever you feel comfortable or what you want to do. Right, so we bumped up it to 20% profit margin, and then all you're going to want to do is go down and you can start inputting some more information here. So this is like an autofill, it's a template that'll autofill every single one of your products. So if you want to fill this information in, we've got why buy from us, we've got feedback text, return text, delivery text, so it's like 30-day free returns, all this sort of stuff. You want to fill all that in, and it gives you a little bit of proof. So like, for instance, feedback text, a little bit of social proof, gives people a bit of trust, and that's always good to generate those sales. So if we go with a 20% markup, and then what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to auto import these products. Now we're gonna upload all 250 of these profitable products with a 20% markup into my eBay store. So go over to view inventory, products creation CSV, and if you click that, you're then going to download this CSV file, and you can this is all this information that you've input. So all 250 of these products have all been set up now with a 20% markup on each one. All the information, the pictures, everything, the titles, everything's on there. And then literally what you want to do, there's so many help guides on Delato. There's a crazy amount of help guides. I've never seen a product or service that has so many like video guides and stuff. So if you want to click here, add in your products to your eBay account, click that, and then I'm going to show you how to bulk import them. So if you go here and click the eBay reports, this will take you to your eBay reports. Simply that CSV file that we've just downloaded, you want to click upload template, and then you're going to simply upload this template. That's going to input every single one of your products on there with that 20% markup, as simple as that. Now that's everything pretty much done. That's your business in a box, essentially. It's all done and it's ready to go, and it's ready to start making those sales. Right, so those sales are all ready now for people to go on and buy. So out of those 250 products, within 5-10 minutes work, you've got 250 active listings on your eBay account that you can make 2, 3, 4, 5, even sometimes £10 profit per item. Simple as that. I would add as well a little disclaimer: you are going to need Amazon Prime for this, just for super quick delivery, and also you've got with Amazon those returns. So what you're going to want to do, once you make a sale of a certain product, you'll copy the ASIN of that product, and these are personalised SKUs that will auto generate as well, or SKUs or whatever. So you're going to want to go over to Amazon. Once they've purchased a hose, you want to go over, copy the ASIN for the hose that the customer has just bought for £21. Go over to Amazon, copy and paste that ASIN, purchase it for £16 or whatever it is. Then you want to input the customer's details, the delivery address, billing address, so on and so forth. So then purchase it, and it'll be shipped straight from Amazon to the customer's house that's purchased it on eBay, and then in between that you're keeping that profit. This is how simple it is. And if you're getting loads and loads of orders, if you get 10 orders a day with £3 profit, that's £30 a day. If you're getting £6 profit on 10 orders, that's £60 a day. You know, you can do this and literally make the average wage. If you're wanting more products, you start seeing yourself making more money. So you want to add 500 products, 1,000 products. It's as simple as that. Now, if you want to check back in my next video that I'm going to upload, it's going to be me doing 30 days of this eBay dropshipping, and I'm going to show you how much profit I've made and how easy it's been or how hard it's been, if I've run into any issues that I've not shown you or I've not mentioned, and it's going to be more real. It's always a real video when it comes to me. So don't forget, if you click the link to the letter in my description now and use code DMD to get 50% off your first month, it's literally cheaper than a takeaway. And this could really change your life and change how much money you make. You can literally start creating this side hustle as well as your main job and start making decent money, so you can escape that 9-to-5 grind. Some people actually do this dropshipping full time, and this is something that you guys can do. And I've tried it before and I know it works. And once again, I'll show some more information. So once again, I'm going to show some more screenshots from this Discord chat of people and how much they've actually made, and it's legit. You can go on, you can Google the reviews of this service and everything. It's all legit. So if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. We're almost at 4,000 subscribers, so that'd be super cool if you could get me to that. And I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.